haven't set the time on it, but look. This gives me so much delight. Toast goes up, right, and
Customers like the cute design, functionality, and ease of use of the clock. They mention it's nice, offers different brightness levels, and works well. Some appreciate the user-friendly buttons and intuitive controls. Customers also say it's fun for kids and good for kids' rooms. They're satisfied with the sound quality. However, some customers are disappointed with the lockability. I thought this was broken as it stopped working, but turns out it was the charger. This is cute for my daughter's room. It's pretty small, and I'm not sure it was worth the price we paid for it as it feels fairly cheap, but she's happy.